Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat mga kasambahay at mga katambay. Andito tayo ngayon sa CM Recto at nasa labas tayo ng iHook Cafe kung saan ginaganap yung first Pinoy Indie Game Competition. So yan, halos 15 grupo from different school ang maglalaban-laban ngayong araw na to hanggang sa linggo. Kaya ngayon, mga kasambahay, silipin na natin kung ano na bang nangyayari sa loob. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Untitled Psychedelic Jam Production.
Ginanap ang kauna-unahang Pinoy Indie Game Competition kung saan ito ay dinaluhan ng mahigit kumulang 15 grupo na nagmula pa sa iba't ibang paaralan sa bansa. Layon nito na maipakita ang kakayahan ng mga Filipino game developers sa paggawa ng isang computer game sa loob ng 48 hours.
Yan mga kasambahay, kasama ko ngayon si Sir Jerome Mati, siya ang marketing manager ng Intel Philippines. How are you, sir?
Yeah, pretty much excited about this 48-hour game development competition. Actually, it's the first kind being held in the country.
We have a really good turnout from different schools. We have STI, we have LaSalle, we have Ateneo, and then we have some professionals also joining.
Mga kasambahay, katabi ko ngayon si Ray from De La Salle University of the Philippines. How are you?
I'm fine.
Paano ka nakasali sa competition na to?
Kasi we're from this org, Game Development Society from DLSE. Hindi pa siya official org, pero next year, supposedly official na siya. So, si Andrew, he told me about it. Yung coordinator namin, sinabi sa kanya. So, yan, parang sabi, Ate Ray, pwede ka sumali. Okay, sige, tapos yan. It's Andrew, me, and Jeric.
So, what softwares are you going to use?
They're going to use Java for our programming. For animation, we're going to use Flash, Photoshop, Image Ready, and possibly Maya for 3D if we have time and we have resources.
Okay, ngayon naman kasama natin ang Team Kalmado. Ano ba mga software yung gagamitin nyo ngayon? Macromedia Director yung
Photoshop, bit of 3D, Wings 3D gagamitin.
What do you think is your edge to win in this competition? Good luck na lang sa inyo. Sana manalo rin kayo sa competition na to dahil alam ko, isang bagong computer ang prize.
May the Force be with you, ang napiling tema ng representante ng Intel Philippines para sa taong ito.
Actually, Force is spelled with F-O-U-R-S. Since we're all using about 51 PCs based on Intel Core 2 Quad, that's why we incorporate the theme Force.
Ang mga miyembro ng grupong magwawagi sa kompetisyong ito ay magkakamit ng tig-isang Intel Core 2 Quad PC.
Okay, there are different criteria. Playability is number 1. Kailangan malalaro natin yung game. Kailangan yung graphics. It also has to be visually appealing. And it has to adhere to the theme, yung May the Force be with you. And there's also a bonus if they use the Intel logo provided to them by the organizers.
Abangan ang mga mananalong totally Filipino-created games sa website na yehey.com.
Any last words, sir, para sa mga competitors natin for today?
Well, good luck sa inyo. We know that 48 hours, very extreme time constraint, but we know that with the skill of Filipinos, we can have some pretty good games on Sunday.
May the Force be with you with Intel Core 2 Quad.
Ayan mga kasambahay, mga katambay at mga kabred. Siyempre, dapat sumali rin ako. Subukan ko sumali sa competition na to. Baka mamaya manalo rin ako ng bagong PC galing sa Intel. Ayan. At siyempre, sa lahat ng mga grupo na kasali sa competition na to, good luck na lang sa inyo. And may the Force be with you.